What's up, traders? It's Mark. Today is Tuesday morning. I meant to get a video out last night, but didn't. The night kind of got away from me, and I ran out of time. So I want to do a quick run through of yesterday's action, and then, gang, one thing I want to let you know. So for those of you who have been waiting, and I realize some of you it's been months, and trust me, I've been waiting just as long, if not longer. But for those of you who are on the email list, you should be getting an email from me today that will show you how to get signed up for everything. So my goal here is, gang, is to basically give you guys more value than what you know what to do with. So as you've seen just from my YouTube videos, the software that I've been building over the last year, it's really come together. And inside of that, is these auction zones that I use for day trading as well as on forex. So here are the forex levels. And before, I only had these on Thinkorswim, and that's what I've been using for months and months. And now I've finally been able to replicate them inside of Ninja. The next step here, gang, will be able to actually automate a lot of these processes. So, for example, anytime I have a zone where I have a line that lines up with it, I can automate that process to where it can take this trade for me. And that'll be the next step in a lot of this, as well as the automation of the day trading stuff, right out of these zones. I already have the risk tool built. It's just a matter of now adjusting it to these zones. And so in addition, gang, inside that video or inside that email is going to be a link that's going to show you how you can get this backtest assist for free. So look for it and make sure you click it and watch it. And if you're not on the list, go get signed up. Go to www.tradebythenumbers.com. It's in the description underneath the video. So let's do a quick run through of the action from yesterday. We did Friday, which is just a small positive day. So let's do yesterday. So the market opens here at 8:30. I'm waiting for a fresh zone. I am green and green, so I'm looking for longs only. I have a blue zone here that I could trade if price were to come into it. Okay, price does. So let's get our tool ready and let's log this trade. So I would be looking for an entry above this blue bar, which would end up being right here at 69.88. And then I'm going to be long, so I'm going to click above that line. I need to specify my ATR bar. It's going to be all the way back here. So it's going to give me my stop. So at this point, my MAE, which is how far it goes against me before it goes in my favor, is going to be right here. And then my MFE is going to be all the way up here. So that's a great start to the day, right? Anytime you can start with a nice winner where you are risking 1 to make 8, that's a great start to the day. And then here's our little trade window that pops up. It gives us all the details of the trade. Okay, let's continue. So now I need a reset if I want to take another long, or I could take a short. So I can't take that long till I get a reset. Now I have my reset. Now I can start looking short, which would be right here. So I would be short on this bar right here at 74.25. Click below for a short. My ATR bar is going to be right here. My MAE is going to be right there, and my MFE, one tick. Woo! Okay, so now I need to get right back in, and it would be off of right here. So I get right back in here at 7005. Short. ATR bar will be right here. My MAE. Let's see, will they get me right there? It looks like they did for sure. Yep. So unfortunately, right in this little string, you know, I would have ended up with actually, no, never mind, just 2 losses, because then I would have been using this bar and it never went below it. Okay, so now because I am green down here, I would need to have divergence to take a trade. So I need to bring this tool in to see what my Stoke readings are here. So 96, and that goes to 97. So I do not have divergence in there, so I cannot take that trade. Okay, so let's move forward. So again, I'd be looking for a trade. Here's my next trade right here. ATR bar is this one. My MAE, we'll just put it up there. My MFE right here. Okay, now I have another entry right below this bar at 97. Trade direction short. ATR bar is right here. Let's see, my MAE is really just going to be right at my entry, and my MFE down here. So there's another winner. Okay, now to take another short, I would need a reset, or I could look long down here, right, inside of a blue zone, but I need a fresh blue zone, so let's just wait. Okay, I can't get short again because I don't have a reset. Okay, I can short in here if I have divergence. So let me just see. That's a 100. No divergence there. Now, notice what I would have here, gang, would be retracement divergence. So once I can figure out how to get this programmed, I actually could take a trade right there. Because this is retracement divergence, where this retraces a higher percentage than this. And I've explained that in some previous videos, but that would be another winning trade for the day. And this is a trade that I will take. It's just right now I'm not showing them because I don't have it programmatically done. And if I don't have it done in an objective way, I'm not going to show it. Okay, so that would be my only entry in there. Let's see. No trades in here because by the time I get down here, I'm red. Let's see. No trade here because I don't have divergence. What about here? 0 and yep. So I do have divergence right here. So I would have a trade right here. Okay. And then we go red, so there's nothing to do there. And then that's the end of the day. So if we pull in our log, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades with 2 winners. Gang, that's a hell of a day. If we let's just make an assumption we're risking what, $50 per trade. So if we're risking the $50, we have, let's see, 4 losses. It's minus 200. Then our winners are going to be 400. Gang, that's a $600 per contract day. If you're trading 4 contracts, that's over $2,000 on the day. All right, gang, that's a wrap. Look for that email. And again, the link to sign up is underneath this video. I'll catch you all later.